To replace a lost user or lost manager eKey using the programmer code, first you need to enter the programming menu with the programmer code. To do that, press and hold the 0 button until the keypad beeps twice. Release the 0 button and enter the 8-digit programming code. Use any valid eKey, press and hold it in place until the red light comes on and stays on. Next, remove it and press the 3 button. Enter the user ID number of the user you're going to be working with. In this case, we're working with user 1. At this point, user 1 has now been deleted from the keypad. Next, what we're going to do is go ahead and re-add them using the same 8-digit programming code. Press and hold the 0 button until the keypad beeps twice. Next, enter the 8-digit programming code. Use any valid eKey, press and hold it in place until the red light comes on and stays on. Your next step is to press the 1 button. This adds a user. Next step is to enter the user number of the user you're adding. We're adding user 1 in this case. Enter the new 6-digit number that'll be user 1's combination. And insert the eKey that they're going to be using. Pull it out quickly. Go ahead and enter their combination one more time. And insert the eKey one more time. Quickly removing it. When the red light goes out, you know that the new user has been added. We'll go ahead and try opening the lock with this new user. It looks like we were successful.